Hello and welcome to the English Listening Podcast. My name is David, and today I'm the father. My daughter and I are spending a full weekend day together. In this longer dialogue, you will hear natural daily English about morning routines, cooking breakfast, shopping, the park, a small problem, and making a plan for next weekend. Daily dialogues like this are important for learning English. When you listen and repeat, you learn common sentences for real life. Then you can use similar sentences when you speak. Now, let's start. Good morning, sweetheart. Are you awake?
Yes, Dad. Good morning.
You woke up early today. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. I'm happy because it's Saturday.
Me too. Weekends feel different, right?
Yes. Can we do something fun today?
Sure. What do you want to do?
I want to go out. I don't want to stay home all day.
That's fair. But first, we need breakfast. Are you hungry?
Very hungry. Can we make pancakes?
Pancakes sound great, but you have to help me.
Of course. What should I do?
Please bring the flour and the eggs.
Okay, and I can bring the bowl.
Perfect. Also, check if we have milk.
Okay. We have a little milk, but not much.
Then after breakfast, we will go to the supermarket.
Okay, can we buy strawberries too?
Yes, strawberries are perfect with pancakes.
Yay! And can we buy whipped cream?
Maybe. Let's see the price first.
Okay.
All right, let's cook. You can mix the ingredients.
I'm mixing, but I think I'm mixing too fast.
Slow down. Mix slowly so it becomes smooth.
Like this?
Yes, much better. Good job.
The batter looks good.
Great. Now I will cook the pancakes.
Can I flip one?
Okay, but be careful.
I will be careful, I promise.
Wait until you see bubbles on the top.
Bubbles? Okay, I see them.
Good. Now flip it.
I did it. It's not perfect.
It's great. You did well.
This is fun.
Yes, cooking together is fun, and you're learning.
Dad, can I add cinnamon?
A little cinnamon is fine, not too much.
Okay, just a little.
Great. Now let's set the table.
I'll bring plates and forks.
Thank you.
Dad, these pancakes taste really good.
Thank you. You helped, so they taste even better.
Can we eat strawberries now?
We don't have strawberries yet, but we can add honey.
Honey is okay.
After breakfast, we'll go shopping, then the park.
Park time, yes.
Before we leave, please clean your plate.
Okay, Dad.
Thank you. Teamwork.
Dad, can I make the shopping list?
Sure. Write milk, bread, eggs, fruit, and strawberries.
And orange juice.
Yes, orange juice. Anything else?
Maybe chips?
Chips are not very healthy. How about nuts instead?
Okay, nuts.
Good choice. And maybe one small chocolate.
Yay!
All right, let's go. Do you want to walk or take the car?
let's walk. The weather's nice.
Okay. Put on your jacket. It's a little cool.
Okay.
I like walking with you. Tell me about your week.
School was busy. I had a math test and a science project.
Wow, that's a lot. How did the math test go?
It was not easy, but I think I did okay.
I'm proud of you for trying your best.
Thanks, Dad. I studied with Mom, too.
That's great. Studying together helps.
Dad, can we stop for a minute? My shoelace is loose.
Of course. Let's tie it.
Okay, done.
Great. Safety first.
Dad, I like weekends with you.
I like them too. I'm happy we can spend time together.
Okay, we're here.
Yes, let's get a cart.
Can I push it?
Yes, but slowly. Be careful and don't crash into people.
Okay.
All right, let's start with milk.
Milk. Found it.
Great. Now bread.
Dad, can we get this bread? It looks fresh.
Sure, put it in the cart.
Now fruit. Where are strawberries?
In the fruit section.
I see them. They look so red.
Let's buy one box.
Can we buy two?
One is enough. We can buy more next time.
Okay, one box.
Good. Let's also buy bananas and apples.
Can I choose the apples?
Yes, choose the red ones.
These look good.
Nice job. Now orange juice.
Here it is.
Great. Anything else on the list?
Eggs.
Yes, let's get eggs.
Dad, I think I forgot the list at home.
That's okay. We remember most things.
Good.
Now let's pay.
Dad, can I tap the card?
Yes, go ahead.
Done.
Great. Now we can go to the park.
Yay, finally.
Do you want to bring water and a snack?
Yes. Can we bring the chocolate?
Yes, one small chocolate is fine. And we can also bring nuts.
Okay.
The park looks beautiful today.
Yes, the trees are so green.
Do you want to walk first or sit first?
Walk first, then sit.
Good plan. Let's walk around the lake.
Dad, can we feed the birds?
We shouldn't feed them bread. It's not good for them.
Oh, then what can we do?
We can just watch them and we can take photos.
Okay, I want a photo with you.
Sure, one photo is fine.
Smile.
Okay, done. Now phone away.
Okay.
Let's sit on that bench.
Yes, I'm a little tired.
Here, drink some water.
Thanks.
You did a lot today. Cooking, walking, shopping.
It was a good day.
I agree. Do you want to do this again next weekend?
Yes, but can we do something new too?
Sure. What do you want?
Maybe a museum or the zoo.
A museum is a great idea. The zoo is nice too.
Which one do you prefer?
Let's choose the museum next weekend and the zoo another time.
Okay, deal.
Great. Now, after the park, we will go home and make tea.
And eat strawberries?
Yes, strawberries at home.
Best ending.
All right, let's go then.